right, I am here at the Memorial 3-gun match with Andrew from SureFire, and it's so nice that you guys are out here. Tell us a little bit about your involvement with this match and SureFire being out here.
Obviously, Memorial Valor Foundation is a super good cause to give back to, and so we've been supporting it for many years. I've been wanting to get out and shoot it for a long time, and I finally this year I was like, hey, nothing's going to stop me from getting out here. And here we are, and I'm excited to be here.
So this is your first time at the match then?
It is, it is.
Oh, that's awesome. So what do you think about this compared to other matches you've been to?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, the variety of stages, you have some tight stuff, some short course type stuff, and then obviously some extreme long range. One stage with 700, I mean, that's awesome for shooting with rifles.
Yeah, and a couple like cool elements, right? Like you've got the moving targets, you've got the plane, right? Yep. Some things that you've maybe not come up against before.
Super cool props, and more than anything, you know, you get to hear the stories of those lost along the way. It's a really heartfelt event. We have a lot of the families that are involved, Gold Star families, and it's super cool to be a part of. I mean, overall, super positive vibes. I'm super happy to be here.
That's awesome. I'm excited for you to be there for Sunday night for the ceremony. That'll really be an amazing time to get in here, the families talk about it. So part of you guys being out here is that you have some new products coming out, right?
That's right. I've been running our XC3. It's a compact pistol light, just trying to make people more aware. The idea behind it is it's kind of bridging the gap between a concealable weapon light and a duty grade weapon light. You do just a little bit of everything, 550 lumens, super bright for the size. It runs off a single 123, but it's nice and compact. So as far as like competition goes, where I don't really like having a super big light that's a little slower to clear the holster out of, you don't have to worry about this. And also, like I said, it can do double duty. I carry one daily, and like I said, it's on my competition gun. So it does a little bit of everything.
I absolutely love that because I'm really seeing a trend in the industry where so many people are taking their carry stuff and their competition stuff, and it's really coming together. So I love that you guys have that out.
Yep, you get to practice and compete with what you're actually carrying. I think it makes a whole lot of sense.